You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, originally from Romanian. Therefore, we need to look at the Romanian pronunciation. How to pronounce in Romanian, it's pronounced Mircea. If you want to learn more confusing names, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. You'll definitely want to hear and learn from Mircea. Therefore, in English, it's usually pronounced not Mircea. There's another video that says it's pronounced Mircea or Mircea. No, Mircea. Mircea. Yeah, from Romanian, Mircea. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.